Today, you guys have seen all the footwork drills and the football stuff and shit that we do with all the guys we brought out, or the guys that are willing to come out at least. I had a friend hit me up, and she said she'd be the perfect person to be in the Lingerie Football League. And if you guys don't know what that is, look it up. I love the Lingerie Football League for obvious reasons. So now we're going to have a former D1 college linebacker teaching an ex-bottle service girl how to play football. We'll get into the Lingerie Football League as soon as everything opens back up. Shit, I might join too. So today, I'm still thinking of the workout right now because I have to figure out, is she coordinated? That's
Nope.
number one. But we gotta use some cleats.
Is she coordinated? No. Can she run? No.
So what did you think that football is? No, this is a real question. Or I flip a bitch.
Before you turn this whole thing around.
Um,
Well, I thought you were supposed to be teaching me.
so you're like, I got the body, I can get it done.
100%.
That's most of football, actually.
I'm built for it. Let's see what I can do. Question. If I see anything else that I want from the store, will you also buy it?
Maybe.
Okay.
As long as it's useful. You need socks too, because you're probably gonna have blisters.
Yeah, I want socks. And then we'll just see what else.
We'll just see what else. Maybe shorts.
Maybe shorts.
You think those are the best looking cleats? I think they're pretty cool.
I think that they're the most you cleats.
They're the most me cleats?
Yeah, would I wear these? Not a fucking chance. Get around and run around and go like this, let me see you fall.
You should.
Looks like me and my mom in Payless. Retro 2002. These are for sure women's cleats.
Look at the bottom. Ooh. I'm really sad that I'm going into real grass right now because I was hoping to keep these brand new looking, and it's super muddy out there, so I'm not excited about that.
Don't look at me.
Don't look at you?
Don't look at me.
No.
You're outside of my face. So you're here.
Okay, dragging it.
Short, choppy step. So that if I have to turn direction, I can do that at any point.
I'm not as scared as I was originally, but he's a good coach. But yeah, I don't think I could do anything at a fast pace, that's for sure. But going at it slow, it's not that bad.
No shit, she's got a better chance of going to the Lingerie Football League than I do to the NFL.
Huh?
You feel confident? First of all, drop that little bullshit attitude.
Why?
We're not here to build your confidence. This isn't preschool.
I want a participation trophy.
No. Good. And she got it on the floor. That's, I don't want to do fucking push-ups. Gonna get her on running receiver routes because she's proven that she can do all the linebacker drills. She's got good enough feet. She can run with my big ass attached to a band. So now we gotta test her a little bit. So we're gonna run basic routes. I'm not gonna have you doing like 15-yard comebacks or anything. Basic routes, but you gotta catch the ball.
Okay.
Every time you drop the ball, every time she drops the ball, she's gonna do a 60-yard shuttle or a 40, depending on how nice I'm feeling. And if you don't drop any, you're gonna run anymore.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Fucking money. That was a practice one, I guess. Oh shit! Man, she keeps surprising me. We ain't fucking around. We ain't fucking around. So you're gonna. Hey,
You caught that on camera, right? Is that a one?
Alright, go. Oh. Come on. How you feeling? First day in the books. Hours worth of work.
I'll talk about it when I can breathe.
So day one, I'm happy with it. Effort. She ran 6 sprints. My first day I would never run 6 sprints or catch the ball, but that's some good shit. So we got day 1 down. I don't know when tryouts are. You be ready? And how you feeling?
I feel good. I feel more confident than I thought I was gonna feel when I was done. It's all about confidence and your presence on the field.
And participation.
And participation.
And looking good.
And looking good.
You look good while you did it. We'll check the camera and see.
Yeah, we'll see.
But day 1 in the books. Don't forget to like, subscribe to see part 2.